Hi, my name is Karan Lamba and welcome to my live page. Today we're going to talk about litigation law. Before that, let me introduce you myself. I did my schooling from Dehradun, St. Joseph's Academy. I passed out in the year of 2007. I pursued my graduation from Bombay from Mithibai College of Commerce. Did my BMS, Bachelor's of Management Studies, completed in 2010. After that, I wanted to pursue law, for which I had given my entrance exam in the Delhi Faculty of Law, which is mostly known as DU. It's a 3-year law, and that I completed in 2013. After that, I have been working ever since and practicing law. I did my 2-year practice in Delhi High Court and Supreme Court. After that, I came back to my hometown Dehradun to pursue law. My father is a lawyer, my elder brother is also a lawyer, and we have been practicing here since, my father has been practicing here since last 36 years. I have started my career in litigation. Litigation is all about being upbeat, knowing your things, knowing your case. From the very start, you have to know what the facts of the case are. You have to know a little bit of law which turns around and is around the facts which you are dealing with, and basically litigation is all about going through very basic codes and laws, what we as lawyers have to go through. We call it a Bible. I am in litigation. I am a civil lawyer. So basically, for me, my code, my Bible would be Code of Civil Procedure. That's a code and a procedure which tells us what, how, and when we have to be in court, and how do we have to practice. What is the procedure? What we have to adopt to fight a case. First thing which you have to go through before pursuing law is you have to know a little bit of general, not a little bit, but you have to know some kind of general knowledge which you can expect. You have mock papers to try it out, which you are given by these coaching centers, and you can get them from your bookstores also. And basically a very straight general knowledge which you require. The government which is running the country, the people who are there in the cabinet, latest reforms which have come up, sports, a little bit of not about entertainment, a little bit of serious subjects which are there in the society. You have to go through about them. The general knowledge from the very inception, our law has started also. Reading. I think that's the most important part of understanding the litigation, understanding a case, understanding what it is all about. We have cases running into 100 pages to 200 pages, so one has to be very concentrated towards reading and understanding it at the same time, because there are many courts in our country which do not provide that much of exposure. Having English in their litigation, I myself practice in Dehradun court, and we have sometimes cases drafted in Hindi, and myself, we are not well versed with Hindi that much, but we have to get through all that kind of hurdles to know the case, to argue the case, to know what is written by the other party, written by the other side, to understand it. So the basic, the first is huge exposure. I think being in this field, you come across each and every kind of person, you come across each and every kind of detail, you come across each and every kind of things which are happening in and around you. I think this gives you a lot of, I think this profession gives you a huge amount of wings to fly and know things. And if one can, and he should, then he must do everything which is there coming in their way. And I think exposure is something which is very important, and it helps you get your personality up, and helps you talk to people anywhere, anytime, and gives you a good feeling about how you can deal with things in it. First one is competition. We have a huge set of competition in our country about litigation, especially in bigger cities like Delhi, Bombay, Hyderabad, Calcutta. You have a lot of students coming in every year, giving their exams, passing out law, and then now you have very less opportunity in terms of getting into big firms or big litigation houses, and I think that's one thing which one should not let them put them down, because there are a lot of other things which one can try after. If they face competition, I think they should go for it completely. And after trying, if you can't get in through, I think there's something you can tell yourself, okay, you can't get in through, and then you have a lot of things to pursue after that. But competition is something which one should. My day, every lawyer who's into litigation, they have their office at their residence also. I think everywhere in the whole country, this is one thing which is very common. We start off with our office at 8:30 in the morning till it is court, till we have to go to the court. So from 8:30 till 10:30 we have our office where clients come, and we are dealing with the cases we have to fight the very same day, and after that we leave for court. 10:30 till the time we have cases, usually we spend our time till 4 o'clock. That's the time of the court. The court shuts at 4. Till that time we are there in the court. After that I have a 2-hour break which goes on till 6. That's from 4 to 6. After that we resume our office again from 6:30. That goes on till 9:30 and 10 sometimes. I hope I have given you a balanced view on litigation and what practice is all about in India. All the best.